Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Zach LaVine Stepback, easy method. Start by establishing a deliberate dribble rhythm, then plant your pivot foot toward the landing spot and push off explosively into a controlled step back. Keep your weight centered and use a sharp hip rotation to create space. Maintain knee bend for balance and finish with a high, quick release aimed at the rim for consistent accuracy. Focus on precise foot placement and timing to make the move reliable and repeatable. Begin with a strong inside drive to commit the defender, then plant the pivot foot and explode back while keeping the non-pivot foot ready for balance. Use a compact, shoulder-high shooting pocket and snap your wrists on release. Practice slowly, then increase speed until you can hit shots under defensive pressure with confidence. Quick recommendation: on another note, life is too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for durable, comfortable cushioning during drills. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips and breakdowns. I dropped a link and a few deals in the description for easy access. Now let's get back to the video. Refine the shot by locking your elbow and using a fluid upward motion that starts from your legs. Hold the ball at chest level, then time the hop with your step back so the shooting leg drives you upward. Keep eyes on the target and extend fully through the shot for a soft backspin. Repetition builds muscle memory, so practice the entire sequence until it feels natural and automatic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.